Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about NFTs. What are they? How can they change the world, and what are their use cases? What is an NFT? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. A non-fungible token is a unique digital asset that cannot be replaced or copied. NFTs are stored on a blockchain, which is a secure and transparent ledger. How can NFTs change the world? NFTs have the potential to change the world in many ways. For example, they could give artists more control over their work. One of the biggest promises of NFTs is that they can give artists more control over their work. Currently, when an artist creates a digital work, such as a painting or a photograph, they have very little control over how that work is distributed and used. Anyone can copy and share the work without the artist's permission, and it can be difficult to track down and prevent copyright infringement. NFTs can change this by providing artists with a way to sell their work in a way that gives them more control over who owns it and how it is used. When an artist sells an NFT, they are essentially selling the ownership of the work, which is stored on the blockchain. This means that the artist can track who owns the work and how it is being used. For example, an artist could sell an NFT that gives the buyer the right to display the work on their website. The artist could then track how many times the work is displayed and charge a royalty on each display. This would give the artist a way to generate recurring income from their work, even after it has been sold. Make it easier to track ownership of digital assets. NFTs can also make it easier to track ownership of digital assets. This is because NFTs are stored on the blockchain, which is a secure and transparent ledger. This means that anyone can verify who owns an NFT, and there is no risk of fraud or counterfeiting. This could be especially useful for things like intellectual property, such as music and movies. Currently, it can be difficult to track who owns the copyright to a piece of intellectual property. This can lead to disputes and lawsuits. NFTs could make it easier to track ownership of intellectual property, which could help to reduce disputes and lawsuits. Create new opportunities for investment and speculation. NFTs have also created new opportunities for investment and speculation. Some NFTs, such as CryptoKitties and NBA Top Shot, have sold for millions of dollars. This has attracted the attention of investors who are looking to get involved in the NFT market. It is important to note that the NFT market is still very new and volatile. The prices of NFTs can fluctuate wildly, and there is a risk of losing money if you invest in NFTs. However, the potential rewards could be significant. Revolutionize the way we interact with the internet. NFTs have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the internet. For example, NFTs could be used to create digital identities that would allow us to prove our ownership of certain assets or our qualifications for certain jobs. They could also be used to create decentralized applications, DApps, that would run on the blockchain and not be subject to the control of any one entity. These are just a few of the ways that NFTs could change the world. It is still too early to say what the full impact of NFTs will be, but they are definitely worth keeping an eye on. What are the use cases for NFTs? There are many potential use cases for NFTs, including art. NFTs can be used to represent digital art, such as paintings, photographs, and music. Collectibles. NFTs can be used to represent collectibles, such as trading cards, sports memorabilia, and even virtual land. Games. NFTs can be used to represent in-game items, such as weapons, armor, and skins. Tickets. NFTs can be used to represent tickets to events, such as concerts, sporting events, and even flights. Identity. NFTs can be used to represent a person's identity, such as their passport, driver's license, and even medical records. Conclusion. NFTs are still in their early stages, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world. It's an exciting time to be involved in the space, and I'm looking forward to seeing how they develop in the years to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll see you next time. Overall, NFTs have the potential to be a major disruptive force in the tech industry. It's still too early to say what the full impact of NFTs will be, but they're definitely worth keeping an eye on.